All right, the first step in removing the fletching is taking my boning archery fletch remover tool, and I'm going to find the correct angle to take this fletching off. I'm not going to be too steep to where I'm gouging the shaft, not going to be too light that I'm not taking off the fletching. This may take multiple passes, but that's okay. As you can see with that first one, I left some of the fletching still on there. I'd rather do that than gouge the shaft. The next method I have is a push method with my thumb. I gradually push the fletching removing tool across the shaft, and it pulls more of the fletching off. As you can see, the fletching portion that was glued to the shaft is still there. A few more swipes and it'll be taken off. I'm keeping the same angle that I started with, and I remove the fletching. I make sure not to gouge the shaft. Looks like I took off all the fletching. Now I'm going to go back through and take off the excess glue. I'm keeping the same angle that I removed the fletchings, making sure not to put too much pressure and gouge the shaft. I'm feeling to make sure there's no more grooves. I take a paper towel with some alcohol on it, and I rotate and clean up the glued area. One more test to feel, and it looks good. And that's how you remove the fletching off your arrow.